Color in dental photography plays a critical role in shade matching, documentation, and communication with the lab, so understanding how to control the color is essential. We've talked about the color temperature, white balance, but there is something else. Picture profiles. Picture profile on a camera, it's a set of settings that determines how your camera processes and renders the image before it's saved on the card, so it only applies on the JPEG file. If you are also shooting raw photos, the picture profile is not applied permanently on the file. Yes, indeed, what you see on the LCD screen of the camera is just a preview based on your selected profile, but the actual raw file is not influenced by the picture profile. Instead, you can do the editing in Lightroom or Photoshop. So if you have time, you can do that. If I speak for myself, I don't have time to do it, so I prefer to capture a photo that has proper colors set already in the JPEG file. So what I prefer to use is the standard picture profile because it provides the most accurate representation of the colors. So let's shoot a couple of photos and you'll understand everything I just said. So if I take my camera, if I go in the photo shooting menu, I go to set picture control because I have a Nikon camera. I already set the picture control, the picture profile on standard, okay? So if I shoot a photo like this, I obtain a photo that, in my opinion, I think it has the proper representation of the colors. Yeah, what I see on the screen of the camera is what I see in reality. Now, for example, let me just change the picture profile from standard to neutral. Yeah, I select this. So now I'm in the neutral picture profile. So let's see the differences. The exposure will be the same. However, now you see that the colors are a little bit washed out. So you don't have the same representation of the colors as before. Let me try a different profile. Let's choose vivid. I expect from the name that I will have too much saturation, so the color will be exaggerated. If you notice now the colors are enhanced, and in my opinion this is too much. This is not the real color that I see. Even if I shoot with a different type of diffuser, okay, let me just remove the transmitter and put it on Fixlite ring. I have the same camera here. All right. Let me just double check what picture profile I have activated on this camera, but before that, let me see the white balance. Yeah, 5500, let's say. So this is the color temperature. I click OK. Set picture control is already on standard. So everything is identical as on the other camera. Okay, let's shoot. I frame in the same way. What I see in the viewfinder is buccal commissure to buccal commissure as a reference with 5 mm left and right. And I have the same representation of the colors as it was with the Fixlite twin. So as a conclusion, get your colors right by managing the white balance, the color temperature, and also choosing the proper picture profile.